see. What's that? Ah, your professionalism I showed.
No, my throat they itch me.
Nah,
So,
lie.
you know how throat go they itch you go do.
I hate that thing.
Now it might be one do. But it already reached. They can't show us.
Welcome back. Still my ear now. All these
This
fast
your earpiece. They know.
No, my one. No, they do that kind of thing.
No, I just want. I want put them.
See your nails.
Yeah, wicked. You don't have forgiving spirit. Welcome to the family of us.
Yeah.
Welcome to the family of us.
Welcome.
Oh, welcome. You're welcome. Welcome. You're welcome. Welcome to the family of us.
You're welcome.
Welcome to the family of us. Ow!
What did they sing?
Welcome to the family of us. Support me. Just support me. Nobody yourself. Welcome. You're welcome. Ooh. Welcome. You're welcome. Ooh, ooh. Welcome to the family of us.
Can you say, they feel like how they feel before when they choir? When a praise and worship leader go, they sing rubbish. All of us call it for back, they like this. What did this guy does? They sing those, they find slap his ear.
Okay, so they sing rubbish.
No, in actual fact, they sing rubbish.
No, don't say that. See, I was getting somewhere, but I lost it along the line. But I had to welcome to the family of us. Yes, our family.
All these whack MCs.
Paddy na the name of the show. My name is Mayowa. And of course, Ogbolo Day here, as always. And together, we go move the ministry forward.
Now,
What yourself?
Go read all the gist today.
No, Ogbolo, don't do that.
You are in charge of all the stories.
Don't do that to me.
No worry.
No, when they talk to you, they talk to you. You say?
Hello?
You say?
You say? Hello? Eh? What's in this one they talk for?
We know they.
You
know say this one that they talk. They enter the microphone. Everybody they hear say
no
they talk
them.
from talk back. You know if you talk low. They talk they shout. More go break. More you for tell us.
What you do, Volkswagen?
thing. Vox.
They talk about
Give us break. More for here. What they talk.
But now I heard they do.
It's called talent. That's how you make a sculpture us with iron and metal rod. Just make sure say you do it well, then you finish them. So that people go come interview you.
Yeah.
Yes. Everything now waiting just talk now. No worry. See, we teach you everything.
Linguistics.
Like this.
Okay.
All right. Give me yan the yan. Abi?
Yes.
As if this is only me you want me to.
Now you they drive the machine to me. I relax for back. Lounge. You understand? Yan the yan right about now.
You know, say people when they watch this thing now, then go just know say apart from say we they do shoot together, me and you and friends will be.
We before they just drag us, Simo call they do this kind of thing. You go know say the chemistry day.
You go know say we don't be friends because
And
guess what this way go they do me. When I only you feed one, then why?
But wait, we not agree saying that violence against men. Be this.
No, this is called fighting for my rights.
No. Which rights?
Oh yeah, revenge.
What is the right?
Oh, but if you know say you get mind, revenge. No, that's not revenge.
No. I do my own revenge.
No.
No. I do my own in my own way.
You.
But wait,
you don't have
this
liver.
is violence against men. No.
You don't have liver.
You know how you want to do this thing? I don't get liver.
You don't have liver.
That's what you use to women.
You
that's
don't.
This same thing where they talk now. Now see if tell her that.
You don't have liver.
Now this thing now if tell her down. Adam, you don't get liver. You don't get liver. You don't get liver. You now go chop apple. Now put us for trouble today, so. This one now they say you don't get liver. Make I go pull hand now. Next thing, motor come outside. Say woman battery. All those women NGO come they use me. They do subject of matter. Please, don't come and tempt me. Don't allow yourself be used.
Oh my God, I can threaten him. Now make I give you the next gist.
We have to look into this. We have to look into this. Man battery.
For inside the city of Lagos, by the way, if you're there for inside Lagos now, where all of these things they happen,
Yes.
you fit just tune your station to UHF 57, channel 57 on top your free-to-air local station. Tune out to 57, and you go see us there live and direct. Wazobia 1. If you tune out, you go see everything where they happen with us. As I follow talk for inside Lagos, armed robbers this morning, they say they attack bank for inside Agbara Industrial Estate, Lagos Badagry Expressway. Now, many people on top social media, especially Linda Ikeji, where we've been getting this particular gist from, and they talk say they still they rob. As at the time, at about an hour ago, so they still they rob. So people when they live around there, say they take cover because then they do Bishan, Bishan. Police and thief, then they shoot themselves. So we take God name beg you. We go still cast the shows they go on top the show. We go to bring you details of everything. But we take God name beg you. If you're there around that side, make it try they very, 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 very careful.
All right, still based on the robbery things, because as it be like this now, it be like say since the year don't the end, this kind of thing won't come the start now. So I beg our government, our security people, then make we beef up security inside Lagos and every other part for the country. I beg, because this one I still want to talk about now, still about robbery. And this morning even happened. Sir, one particular lady they go walk around that Jumofak for Ikorodu side. Jumofak. Now that's how the every happen. One woman they go walk this morning around 6 a.m. Now one thief attack her with dagger, come cut her hand, come carry her phone and some other things they waiting for her hand. So when she come sharp now, 9 people come gather. Somehow they come catch the guy, beat him, they give him correct beating. They don't lynch him, but they all beat him, give him better beating, come carry and go hand over to the local security agents. Then, as it be like this now, the guy don't face his own torture for the whole level and his own results. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. But please, very importantly, even everybody when they has a watch show like this, I beg. Beef up your own security for your own house. Make everybody shine their eye very, very well. Because festive period don't they come and some kind of things want to happen. All right? So, in your own way, you understand? Anyhow, if not to buy bingo, put for house, buy bingo, put for house. If not to put a burglary proof, put that for your house. You say, but the way they live for this country, it be like self-prison.
I want to talk something.
Burglary for door, burglary for up,
my brother,
burglary for down, burglary for window,
burglary for
everywhere.
your car.
So they put burglary for their motor too.
See, I just want to talk something. Say for inside Lagos where we did. So for those of us where they used to Lagos life, you go know. So you know, if you tell person say no waka early morning or no waka late at night, because the truth be say to beat traffic, you go come out house early morning. True. Especially when you they live far from where you they work. Probably because houses for where you they work, the money to rent house for there skyrocket. True. So you guys live for where your own money go fee. I know person when they live for Alagbado where they work for VI.
Oh. Traveling.
I know people they do them. I know people will be saying that they live for inside Mowe, then they work for VI. Oh. And then they find friend place, so then they patch. Weekend they can't go house. Even for here, we get them for here. So the thing be saying, you know, if you talk say no worker for morning, no worker for night, because early morning you guys beat traffic. Late at night you go wait small, make traffic for go down before you go house. During the day, if you go guys stay somewhere, because during the day lunch break when children close from school, the traffic in a gangster.
But at the same time,
so you have to be careful.
Everybody got so careful.
Yes.
Our ladies. You have to go find how you go defend yourself.
You have to learn this thing.
Go learn taekwondo. Go learn things. You understand? Learn boxing. So when the guy else come, you go give him pow. The guy will say, here man. You understand? You go chalk. You get me now? Learn different things. Some of them when keep on a high heel. When I keep on a high heel, one side back, they wear tennis shoe. When they also, hey,
you understand?
You run away.
I know one thing when my mama they tell me that year. Mama go say, a girl's bag is not complete without lipstick, powder, and a bit of pepper spray.
Pepper spray. You understand? For your own good, though.
It's called self-defense.
If you don't see pepper spray, carry the real pepper. Ata. You understand? Ose. Carry them for back. Hey.
Because the thing be say, whether you like it or not, people go attempt. Whether you like it or not, you go come out early. Whether you like it or not, you go work out late at night. Yes. Whether you like it or not, especially if they go work or they come back from work, as long as Lagos is concerned. Please, learn to protect yourself.
That early morning owner, women, it always happen to because many don't feel wrong.
Even my era, it don't happen with a man. One of my friends, now he make me talk, say, pack your load.
Many women go, they learn to jog. Many go, they learn how to jog. So that you go, they run quick.
More go break your jare, jog gas.
Hey! If you see women, they run. Why then they catch men? Hey, pew! yeah. Oh yeah, if you get mind, can't do it now.
Oh yeah, give me ball now.
Mouth.
Give me ball now.
Oh yeah, lie down. Lie down, no. Wait, you know fit. I say no, before the show finish, we'll see whether we'll fit do it. There they cast, they make noise for you, they do anyhow. You come out for which shot? I go arrange shot for you. We'll come out table now.
The camera go come.
Don't worry, before show finish,
camera.
we'll chalk you now. We'll go do it. They make maths. And not be your mates, without just do things.
Not be yarn we they talk. Make we continue with our gist.
Oh yeah,
not be
continue with
this.
Before the show end, we'll bring ball now. They do anyhow. Read embryo gist, give them.
If we talk again, I wound there, you know feel revenge.
Now, women them. If you don't divorce, don't divorce. I read the gist. I don't give them the intro of the gist.
Okay. Now, this one happen for inside the America place. These two couple schools, then we go do, now, I always tell people, say, no be only by normal way if you get belle. People, they do IVF. True. People, they do insertion. True. People, they get belle anyhow. So, no talk waiting you know. Go read about them. Go find out. Go do study so that you know go carry last. Other ways of getting belle is plenty these days now. One of these ways now IVF, where these couples could go do. And this one involved when we say when they go do them, the man will release some of it. The way they do them, they say you go release some of your eggs, and then they go take some of your sperm, and then they go take some eggs from the woman's body, come fertilize them outside the womb, and then come do you an operation to put it back inside your womb so that you can carry the baby. That's why some people they get surrogate mother, where they help them carry the pikin, and then when they born, another woman will go carry pikin for you. Now, this particular couple schools, then go do, they won't do this IVF something.
Yeah.
They can't go, that time the love still strong, you understand? They were together, they sweet them. Now they can't go do, the man go donate in spermatozoa, you understand? So they can't freeze them, embryos, then freeze them, hoping say when time reach to born belle, because then they see say the woman get possibility of cancer, so that they see say make them go freeze them now, so that before the thing go turn her infertile, when they're ready to begin born picking, which is very possible as a matter of fact, that the woman be that. But when they freeze them, they can't sign agreement say in case of divorce, so then go destroy the embryo. Not being divorce can't happen. Separation won't can't happen. The woman can't say please.
Well, they be not sign them, Abi?
Yes, nah. Yes, nah. See, they don't already sign them. The woman can't say, I beg you, you no fit destroy. I want to use it and have baby.
Ah, no, the man.
I want to have baby.
The man provoke, no?
Now the man said no.
No. We are divorced.
Yes.
Destroy it.
Yes.
Destroy
they can't carry and go court. Of course, the judge will rule in favor of destroying because there's an evidence where shows say they don't already sign agreement. Say in case of divorce, you destroy. So, and the man is not willing to cooperate. So and it is spermatozoa. So therefore, there shall be what?
There have to be agreements first before you can use it.
Yes.
It's my property.
Yes.
My property is my property.
Yes.
If I say no, you cannot come and use it, you cannot use it.
Yes.
If we have signed that you cannot use it, you cannot use it.
Yes.
Now my own, and I decide to be selfish with it.
Yes.
It's not your property any longer. And I carry my thing and keep on myself.
So
but I still destroy it. I can still manufacture more just in case you buy them.
So women, if you go sign this kind of agreement, try and make you no divorce. So that's that you can work it out.
Some. If you all keep some, fridge.
You think saying that fridge preserve? Why you foolish? Like
no, I have to suggest to because if you guy you tell you keep some from the guy, just
the guy go say
the guy just say like maybe after 5 years, say we no day again. You just see you carry bomb boy come and to resemble him. Say from where? Say forget that.
Forget that thing.
You are the father.
I kept a little beef of your spermatozoa.
You are the father of this young man here. So everybody, but no, divorce is not an option.
It's not an option.
So please just try to work it out.
But the moral of the story be say for those of now where they find children, go and read about these things. Ask doctors.
Yes.
Ask people around.
Yes.
Read about it. Find out.
Yes.
Different ways the way you can get picking.
Yes.
Different ways.
All right. Next story sharply.
Now you know.
No, now you.
Now you.
No, now you. Breakup shop.
It's me. Okay. This next story.
I know they switch. I like read that.
Let me tell you something. You know that there are some websites now where we say when you go, they fit join man and woman together. You understand?
Yes.
It's called dating sites. Even for Nigeria, for this Lagos self, I know a few websites where you go. Go if you say if you check something online, you go even redirect you.
I get friends that we married from online.
From online. Even social media, they join people.
Yes.
You understand? So all those kind of things then. But Somebody just wake up one day where you gonna say people know well and people know get sense. Somebody just wake up one day in the America place. You know, that's where all these things used to happen. America. Somebody wake up there and say that if there can be an online service where they join man and woman together to make them couple, then there should be an online service where they separate them.
Yes.
So if you want to break up with your girlfriend of 5 years,
Bagada.
or your girlfriend of 1 year,
Bagada.
or your girlfriend or your boyfriend of 3 years, or your husband of 8 years, you didn't know how to do it. Be listening to this thing, they say that you will just call the place.
Baga.
That
hello.
Wait, let me read that.
Break up by email.
Let me tell you, they say, see, to break up by email, it go cost you $10.
Yes.
To break up by letter,
yes.
It go cost you how much?
$20.
Thank you.
Yes.
If na phone call break up, it go cost you how much?
$29.
Now, if you want come collect break up starter package, now how much?
Package on every $80.
Thank you.
With gift pack.
Thank you. This package now, you know what's in the inside? Then go call the babe or the guy. Tell them in a nice way. Say, that your boyfriend, he thinks you are very foolish. He didn't really want to be with you anymore. We are very sorry. Take gifts. Take film of how they used to cry.
Yes.
Console yourself. But please don't call him again.
Yes.
Don't text him again.
Yes.
Say now waiting the one they do now. So if you get bail of 5 years, you don't know how to break them up. Say them ready to break up the relationship for you. And they feel saying a better thing.
They can't get one where they will say, okay, fine, we'll carry one box give you of your ex. Different things.
The ex now go supply those things. So you come burn up so that you go feel
so
better.
that burning, I say, I let you go.
Yes.
You are no longer part of my life.
Yes.
I burn everything we get before.
Yes.
We have burned it.
So there's now a company that helps in the breakup of relationship and marriage.
Yes.
You can't even know what thing happen. You know, say that time for inside, one time when we read this story for inside China.
Yes.
Now China, I've been at the America place. China. I'm not sure whether not China or America. When we say you get some people where they employ handsome men. So that if they suffer heartbreak, you go order for handsome man.
Any of your choice.
The man go come help you cry.
Yes.
Cry that your breakup.
He's going to help you, they arrange the cry for you. Different things there these days, though. You are waiting for house. If you say you should be cry, you feel help person. Cry, they are cry. They feel they rent you for Obito. You understand? If you don't say you did that, you fine. Your face will they make babe, they cry. They feel they rent you to come and cry, they cry. So nothing is impossible.
In the America now, so if you want to break up now, you have company.
Yes.
If they say, what does your company do? Hello, we help in breaking up marriages and relationships. If they say, what does the company do? We rent out people to help you cry.
Imagine the person just enter house, now just see maybe in wife or in husband, they go to that website. Hey! Off that website now. Now, you want to break up with me. You don't get sense. So
people
please.
know well, no, Ogbolo.
Oyibo.
People don't get sense, so.
Oyibo. We are not in favor of anyhow breakup. So please try to work out with your partner.
We're not judging anybody, but we are shocked.
Yes,
we are shocked upon it.
Say people don't the characters go on that level these days.
Hey.
Yeah. Any wish we will leave out for there. We don't try for them.
People's thinking are running wide. Give us laugh the laugh, Mbok.
Laugh the laugh, laugh the laugh.
Lo. Well, if you do this kind of thing, you feel do it. You be like a person who feel do it. Okay.
Imagine person you run enter inside one big shop, go thief toothpaste, come out. Uncle, what is wrong with you? I think, but try.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow me and Ogbolo at Maya Walambe and at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. And if na Instagram be over there, follow the station at Wazobia TVNG. Follow me at Maya Walambe and at Ogbolo for inside Instagram. YouTube.com/Wazobia Paddy. All the episodes they there for you. We love you very much. Thank you for joining on this show. And please, don't go and be looking for website anyhow. Please.
Try to make this thing work.
Try to make your relationship, your marriage
work. You understand? Nobody thought it go easy. Now work it be.
Yes.
I like my man of God talk. Love that decision, not be just a romance.
Yeah.
And,
yes, it's a decision, not be feeling. So once you make a decision,
never go back on a decision.
You stand.
Yeah.
You stand. You stand.
We go see you not tomorrow.
By your decision.
Yeah. Friday. una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.